Hello everybody, my name is Samira and I am from India. There are 1.3 billion of us in India and probably another 500 million in Sharjah. We come in various types of brown. In fact, you can find 50 shades of brown on my face alone. Many of my Indian folks are obsessed with fair skin color. I think that has a lot to do with the Indian fairness cream ads. They show this girl, a dark-skinned girl, at a job interview, and the manager simply closes her file and shakes his head. On a side note, we Indians are excellent when it comes to shaking our head. In fact, I am doing that right now, but you cannot see it through my hijab. So, coming back to this girl, he shakes his head. That means she has been refused that job. She goes home very dejected. Her mother comes up to her with infinite love, hands her a tube of Fair and Lovely. She applies it, and the sun shines. Day 1, day 2, day 10. Now she is white. I have been using these creams for like 20 years. And I have stood in the sun too. I went from brown to browner. She was white. Not only was her face white, her arms, legs, and even teeth were white. I'm curious, where else did she apply that cream? Now she goes back to that same interview, and that same manager shakes his head. Yes, now that you are fair, you will be a super engineer. Our city will be much safer. Speaking about engineers, I am an electrical engineer. Yeah, I know. But most of my relatives have no idea what an electrical engineer does. They make assumptions. I visited my aunt once. She tells me, Samira, our washing machine is not working. Just check, no? I tell her, Auntie, I'm an electrical engineer. I design electrical wiring systems for buildings and large equipments, and it's very complicated. Then why can't you fix a washing machine? You can fix it if only you used Fair and Lovely. After graduation, I was officially invited to enter the marriage market. Condolences poured in from my relatives. First of all, she is so tall. On top of that, she is so dark. Some of them came to defend me. Don't say she is dark. She is dark, but she is beautiful. Black is beautiful. Yeah, black is beautiful, but I am not black. They gave me a logical reason as to why I was dark. Samira, when you were little, you never drank enough milk, huh? They probably think that the white color of the milk just transfuses onto our skin. By that logic, I should actually look like a ghost now. They shared beauty tips also. You know what you should do? You mix some yogurt and turmeric powder and apply it. No, thank you. I am not marinating myself. I wanted to prove it to them that not every guy wants fair girls, and I found such a guy. He is so pale, like the frozen chicken available in supermarkets. Perfect for marination and marriage. I made him an offer he cannot refuse. I offered him what every man craves for: freedom. Freedom of space on bed. Freedom to use remote control for his own TV. Freedom from dangerous questions like, baby, what are you thinking right now? I did not have to continue. He was on his knees, begging me to marry him. Ladies and gentlemen, I have been married to my chicken for 10 years now. And this is a surprise show for him. He had no idea that he was coming to watch his crazy brown clown perform. Thank you very much.